Progressive.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jeannide, and today we are doing the Get Lit with me. We're gonna do my face. I have this eye look on my channel already, so check this out. I'm about to go sneak out and go to this little party in this backyard. We about to get lit. I'm actually gonna be playing American music though, because what's happening in the back, they're playing my native. They're playing combined Zouk music. But we're gonna listen to some tunes. I said we're gonna make this a monthly thing. Playing some makeup and play some jams, okay? Play some music. Pop Smoke's album, posthumous album, just dropped a few weeks ago. So of course I've been listening to Pop Smoke, of course. Oh, also, I talked about the primer already in my other video, but I have the SMASHBOX PhotoFinish primer on my face right now. Since it's hot, I just wanna, so my face could be matte and sweat proof, I'm actually gonna add some Fenty powder to my face. I'm gonna lightly dust it onto my face. Just a little more. So I got a little tan. This is my summer shade. I hope it's not too dark though. I might mix it with Fenty. Let me just see what it looks like on my chest though. It looks so dark in the bottle, but it's really not that dark. I'm gonna use Fenty for some reason. I'll just use two concealers like I usually do. We'll see what happens. Let it sit for a bit. While it sit, I'm gonna add my bronzer. This bronzer is it, y'all. Cleaning up the eye look. I didn't even hear the music from outside anyway. This is a sample. Which song is this sample again? I don't remember. Yes! This is my song. It samples Can You Handle It by Usher. I love this song. More Fenty, of course. Actually, this went on my head for like 2 hours. I'm trying to blend this so it don't look like a huge line of demarcation, you know? So it don't look obvious, like, oh, she didn't really put makeup on her forehead. I don't want it to look too obvious. Milani. I should use something else. Let me use the peach highlighter. Especially since I'm wearing orange, got orange nails, and looks like there are some peachish colors in my eye look, so. Chicago kid. That's a lot of highlighters. Still I'm missing you. I gotta sharpen this. But this is Limbo, right? What color is this? I think it's Limbo. If I could stand still, then I know we will this moment. Stay right here. Okay, now this orange lippy. I'm gonna mattify it though. This brush had some powders on it, so I'm just gonna blend these lipsticks together. I got all up in my teeth. I was born to love you. I would rather die than live without you. Hi y'all, so this is the final look. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope that you enjoyed this Get Lit with me. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll have another one coming up soon. And yes, honestly and truly, I did not listen to that much new music for the month of July. I listened to Pop Smoke's new album. I just got hip to Ro James about 3 days ago. Beyonce's, you know, I would have had Beyonce in here, but no, I don't want the same problems I had last time. So it is what it is. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Juices.